It's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. You're watching me, EMKWAN. Peace and blessings to you all out there. Hope you guys are well. Today's video is going to be a special unboxing. Well, it's not really an unboxing, more of an unpacking than an unboxing. But anyway, it's going to be a unboxing of sorts. If you've been following me on social media, particularly on Instagram stories, down below. It's kind of crazy when I think about it. Like, I was born on the 19th of March, 1984. Now, if you do quick maths, that's actually 34 years of age. And every time I think about that, like, I'm beginning to feel like, what? I'm not really that old, I don't feel old, and that's, I guess, the main thing. But anyway, I wanted to do a special unpacking and unboxing of something that was sent through to me from the good guys at ITP Live. So a big shout out to the guys at ITP Live and Esquire magazine, and that will probably give you a clue as to what is in this pack. Now, I wanted to do this on camera for you guys. This actually came earlier on, but I was waiting until my birthday to unpack it. An envelope with my details, and this is from Sarah. Thank you so much, Sarah. I think I got a once on the vlog previously. Thank you so much, Sarah, and thank you to the rest of the guys. Right, let's open this and show you what is inside. And they sent me not one, but two of these. It's an honor. In fact, it's an honor to be in this magazine, sharing a platform with the likes of people like Neistat, but there are also a ton of other influencers or social media content creators that Esquire magazine Middle East have given a focus on. They focused on some international guys, but they also had a focus on content creators and influencers here in the Middle East. Page 100, it's a nice round number. They put the two March babies together. And there is also another content creator that shares his birthday in March, and that is this guy over here. This is Mr. Mo Vlogs. Now, I think Mo's birthday was at the beginning of March, and next to him is bearded guy. That's me. And they've listed me down as the gadget guy. So while I was at the photo shoot, there were also some questions, like it's like a short interview with a bunch of questions about myself, what inspires me. There's a question about style, and also what my plans are for the future. So what they did was they took snippets from that short interview, you know, stuff like what makes me stand out. I think I answered that about being passionate. You know, I don't know what you guys think, leave a comment down below, but I like to think that I'm passionate about what I cover, otherwise I don't normally cover it on the channel. Who influences me? Who did I put down for that? I think I spoke about a few different people, but I was talking more about how I try and get inspiration from outside of tech, because I think that's quite important. Sometimes you can get bogged down into a particular type of, you know, genre. So if you're a fashion guru, you start looking at only what other fashion gurus are doing. You know, even as a vlogger, you start only looking at what other vloggers are doing. But one of the other things that I did mention was trying to change up the box standard kind of view of what tech videos should be like, you know, the unboxings, the reviews, like trying to bring in some of the experiences that I've garnered over on my other channel, on the vlogs channel, trying to bring and incorporate that into this channel and the videos that I put out. Let me know if you can pick up on those kind of vibes, or if it's just airy fairy talk. Leave a comment down below. The other question was about style, and this one was interesting because at the moment I am totally obsessed with what Stone Island are doing, CP company. So there's Massimo Osti from that company, or he was from that company, he sadly passed away. But the whole kind of style of what Stone Island, CP, and I think I mentioned Acronym as well, what they're doing in terms of that kind of tech wear. So it's very casual, but it's also very functional as well. Anyway, if you're based here in the United Arab Emirates, go to your local, I don't know, Carrefour, Waitrose, Spinneys, go and pick one of these up. I think you've got about 2 more weeks before the next edition comes out. Those of you that are internationally based, I have 2 of them. Maybe I should do one as a giveaway. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to get your hands on one of these. Maybe I might give one of these away. But if not, what I'll try and do is I'll see with the guys at Esquire if there is an online version of this and the interview, and then I'll link it down below. I want to say a big thank you to all of you that have been sending through birthday wishes on all the social media platforms. I have been flooded trying to respond, do at least acknowledge every single message that has been sent in. If I haven't, please don't take it to heart. Hopefully I'll get around to doing that shortly. Now, just a little update. This week I'm actually going to be flying away somewhere. So if you want to keep up to date with where I am and what I'm going to be doing, then go follow me on Instagram. At the moment, I'm really pushing my Instagram outside of YouTube because I am posting up there daily on my Insta story. Once again, I am older. I'm EMKWAN. You've been watching me here on EMKWAN Reviews. Until next time, peace and blessings.